Hello, it's Eric, and welcome back to the Drawio Academy. Today, we're diving into the template manager in drawio. Whether you're kicking off a new diagram or brainstorming on a whiteboard, getting familiar with the start menu can help you save time and get you off to a smooth start. When you open the Drawio diagram editor, the template manager is the first thing you'll see. Here, you have the option to either start a new project or open an existing. Starting a new diagram is straightforward. You'll first be asked to name your diagram. Once that's done, you can either start from scratch or pick from a wide variety of our templates. These templates are organized into categories like business, engineering, flowcharts, making it easy for you to find what you need for your project. Starting with a drawio board is a much more streamlined experience. You're taken straight to a blank canvas where you can jump right into it and start creating. While you don't see the template manager first, you can still access the templates by clicking the plus icon in the bottom of the basic menu on the left. This setup lets you start brainstorming and organizing ideas right away. Remember that the main difference between starting a diagram and starting a board is the initial setup in UI. Diagrams give you structured templates to get going, while boards offer an open canvas for more free-form creativity. Both are flexible and are easy to use, so you can choose the one that works best for you. When you finish your project, you can save your work by clicking Publish. For diagrams, you would have already named your project from the start. For boards, you'll be asked to name your board when you click Publish. This way, all your work is saved and organized right within Confluence. All right, so now you know how to navigate the Start menu, making it easier to kickstart your projects. Stay tuned. In our next video on Drawio Academy, we'll be working with the canvas while we dive deeper into the tools and features available for you in your workspace. See you there.